Welcome everybody. Okay, so we're on our little series of doing exercises and not letting it take up our whole day. So what exercises can we do whilst we're waiting for the kettle to boil or doing some cooking? What can we do? Okay, so here is one. So if you've got a floor with laminate, maybe the lines flowing, or if you don't have that, try to focus on a straight line. So for me, I'm going to use my yoga mat, and what I'm going to try and do is, if I'm holding on to my counter side first for balance, I'm trying to follow a straight line. So one foot directly in front of the other. It's much more challenging than you think. Now, if at first is too much, just have the foot slightly apart. Within time, see if you can put the heel to the toe and then the heel to the toe. So if you haven't got a line anywhere to follow, you can just be on your floor, heel to toe, get your balance, heel to toe. So balancing is so important. It's very important for your core strength. If you've got weak core strength there, if you haven't got that support around your midsection, then often balance isn't so good. We want to really improve our balance, reduce the risk of falls. If we've got that strength there, if we do suddenly slip, we've got more chance to support, use those muscles to engage rather than suddenly pull out your back. Let's try once more. I'm always a bit wobbly on my right leg because I injured my ankle quite badly. It's over 1.5 years ago, but I still haven't quite got the strength there, but it will come in time with practice. This is a thing. Consistency is key. So there you have it. There's your exercise. Can you do it for the next week? Give me a thumbs up. Comment, let me know if you're taking part. I would really love to know how you're getting on with this exercise. And for those that don't know me, if you're not already following me, follow me on Facebook at Lower Back Pain Support Group, or follow me on YouTube and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.